With Valentine's Day around the corner, I promise you will fall in love with this newly remodeled dream home. Tucked away on a peaceful half cul-de-sac, you're just a short stroll to top-rated schools, Ortega, Panama, and the Serra Park, plus the Homestead Crossing Shopping Center for everyday essentials. Major tech companies are nearby, with Highway 280, 85 for an easy commute. Downtown Sunnyvale and the Caltrain station are only about 8 minutes away, placing dining, shopping, and transit within reach. Now, let's jump inside. Welcome home.
The hardwood flooring leads you into a bright and airy open floor plan with soaring ceilings, resized lighting, dual-pane windows, and a gorgeous view of the backyard.
Sliding past the dining area, we enter the gourmet kitchen with high-end stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops and island, vast cabinet space, and a convenience pantry. Down the hall is the downstairs bedroom with its own full bathroom and a private entrance, making it perfect for an in-law suite or ADU. You will also find a convenient guest half bathroom and a laundry room with washer and a dryer. Upstairs, you will find a lovely second family area, along with full bedrooms, one of which features a massive balconies overlooking the peaceful neighborhood, plus a full whole bathroom with shower tub combo. The primary bedroom offers a massive walk-in closet, a spa-like bathroom with dual sinks, jet tub, and a separate stall shower. Outside, you will find a beautiful landscaped backyard with a side overhang, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. That brings my tour to an end. I'm RENNA, your neighborhood realtor. If you have any question, feel free to call at the number below. Also, be sure to click the like button and subscribe to stay up to date with all my future listings. And I will see you this weekend. Bye now. Oh, one more thing. With Chinese New Year around the corner, I want to wish everyone a happy Lunar New Year. 恭喜发财. This home brought the seller a lot of luck and money. I know it will do the same thing for you. Money, 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 money.